So I was in a crash and I was turning left, and so now they're claiming because of that I'm at fault. Is that an end all be all?
Turning left, typically you are at fault because they're going to claim that the other driver had the right of way. But it depends on the situation. If you look at the lighting sequence of the intersection, if you had a green arrow, there are various factors that can affect that. It's not illegal to turn left as long as the traffic's clear. If you had someone who was maybe speeding through the intersection or made a turn onto the road and caused the accident, so that way you would still have a claim for your injuries. Mm-hmm. But just because you turned left doesn't automatically make you at fault. It's just like if you rear end somebody, people always say, well, if you are the person who rear-ended someone, you're at fault every time. Mm-hmm. That's not necessarily so either. It depends on the circumstances. That's why you want to talk to an experienced personal injury lawyer who knows the law, who knows what to investigate, who can give you an opinion as to whether or not you can be paid for your injuries. I just gave the turning left, but in a rear-end collision, just because you rear-ended somebody doesn't mean that you're at fault. If that person that you rear-ended made an abrupt, unexpected, illegal stop and caused you to rear-end them, then they would be responsible for that accident. Let's say it's on a busy street where no one is expected to stop, mm-hmm. or maybe on the expressway, and somebody just stops in the middle of an expressway, and you rear-end them. I mean, that's a situation where you can make a claim against that driver for that unexpected, illegal stop.
Is there any advice you'd give to somebody now, obviously, who hasn't been in a crash and hopes to never be in one, but something they could do now that would help gather that evidence in a situation that could protect them?
Well, call the police, first of all. You make an accident report. I don't know. I mean, you want to take a picture of the tag of the at fault of the other driver, because I'll tell you the other thing is that you brought that up is that we've seen lately, almost every day we get phone calls or intakes from our website about people being involved in accidents where the at-fault driver just leaves the scene of the accident. Mm. I mean, that's a big issue right now. Mm-hmm. In my 45 years of doing this, I have seen so many situations where the at-fault driver just leaves the scene. They stop for a second, they look around, and then they just take off. And we see that every day. And so I would say the first thing we're going to do is take a picture of the tag of or maybe take a picture of the driver and the tag, mm-hmm. and of the vehicle is the first thing you do. If you can, I mean, if you're on the expressway and there are hazards there, you don't want to do that. But when it's safe to do so, you want to take a picture of the at-fault driver or the other driver and the tag and the car if you can.